If you're looking for the best credit repair companies for collections, here's a review I really want you to pay attention to. Number 10, we have Pinnacle Credit Repair. Our score, 8 over 10. One thing I want to say here is that we love the fact that with Pinnacle, you have actually one of the longest money-back guarantee periods. So we're looking at up to 4 months. This is kind of good because it means that this company is really sure about its services. And so if you have a 4 months of a money-back guarantee, you are able to say, you know what, if I don't like the service, I could still just back out within 4 months and within 120 days. Okay. Now, the guarantee only applies to one of the company's 2 service plans. So the Priceless plan doesn't feature a guarantee and charges a first work fee of about $2.99. So what are the pros and cons of a Pinnacle Credit Repair here? The pros: the premium plan gives access to a personal credit mentor, and this will connect you to account members. As an account member, you can be connected to a network of lending partners, and you have the 4-month money-back guarantee. What about the cons here? Well, you have a very high first work fee of $2.99. There is no free consultation available, and you have limited information regarding the company's proprietary system. So it is what it is, but yeah, so Pinnacle Credit Repair, I would score 8 over 10. Number 9, we have Trinity Credit Services. I would score 8.1 over 10. So when you think about Trinity Credit Services, I want you to think about an institution that is constantly changing. We love that a lot. And so they have been in the industries for 10 years, and they've been actually doing a lot of ass kicking. We love that a lot. And the company offers a free credit report evaluation and a customized credit repair plan, which you can actually use to keep track of everything online. However, one thing we don't like about Trinity is that they're not really clear about service costs and setup fees on their website. Additionally, they don't provide information about guarantees. So if you are interested in guarantees, you might not like the way Trinity is conducting business. What are the pros and cons here? The pros: you have a free credit report evaluation. You can track the dispute process online. This is kind of cool. What about the cons here? Well, Trinity can do a lot more when it comes to, I would say, transparency. So there is no information about services and fees. Number 8, we have here Credit Assistance Network. Our score, 8.6 over 10. So if you're looking for a credit repair company for collections that gives also additional services, you will love this CAN, Credit Assistance Network. And so they've been doing this since 2004. So they've been in the industry for nearly 20 years now. So this adds a layer of credibility. Okay. We love the fact that you have a lowest monthly fee. You have the lowest first work fee. We love that a lot. And you have unlimited monthly disputes. So here are the pros and cons of the Credit Assistance Network. Pros: you have free credit consultation available. They do offer money-back guarantee, and you have a flexible cancellation policy. What about the cons? There is no live chat support, limited educational resources, and no mobile apps. So again, but it is overall a great institution. So when we talk about today's topic, we're actually having a conversation about the best credit repair companies for collections. And number 7 here, you have creditfirm.net. Creditfirm.net. Our score, 8.9 over 10. So if you're looking for an institution that's great for dispute services, you'll love that. In addition to collections, of course. And so monthly disputes unlimited. The lowest monthly fee, $49.99. The lowest first work fee, $49.99 also. And we love that a lot. And here are the pros and cons. The pros: you have relatively low monthly fees. They do offer free consultation. You can cancel at any time. So we love the flexibility here that creditfirm.net actually introduces the whole thing. And they've been doing this since 1997. So again, you can see an extra layer of credibility here that's great. And here are the cons: no identity theft insurance available. They don't have a mobile app, and there is no live chat feature. Number 6, we have Sky Blue Credit. Our score, 9 over 10. So when you think about Sky Blue Credit, I want you to think about a credit repair company for collections that is very experienced. Okay, in our view, Sky Blue Credit is one of the most experienced credit repair companies for collections, and we love the fact that they've been doing this since 1989. Remember, can you imagine that? 1989. And monthly disputes unlimited. The lowest monthly fee $79. The lowest first work fee $79. And here are the pros and cons when it comes to Sky Blue Credit. The pros: they do offer a 90-day guarantee. It's very easy to cancel membership, and they have transparent pricing. Here are the cons: only one service plan, no mobile app, and no live chat available. So when you think about Sky Blue Credit, I want you to think about a constellation of services, including credit repair, credit monitoring, unlimited disputes, and a debt management program that can help you improve your financial habits. So overall, in our view, this is really cool. But the only thing is, they only offer a single service plan with competitive pricing. So if that's what you're looking for, that you will be happy. If not, this could be a little problematic. But overall, we love the fact that they do have an array of features and services, and so this is kind of cool. You can connect with customer service over the phone, via email, and by getting a support ticket. And this is kind of cool. So we love that a lot. Number 5 here, we have Lexington Law. Our score 9.1 over 10. So when you think about Lexington Law, I want you to think about a credit repair company for collections that is very great when it comes to transparency. And now Lexington Law might be a little polarizing in our view, based on our research, because they've been involved in a lot of lawsuits and what have you. But hey, listen, they were effective. And for the monthly disputes, 19 per 45 to 60 days. So every 2 months maximum, you have 19 monthly disputes. The lowest monthly fee, $24.95. The lowest first work fee, $24.95 also. So Lexington Law overall is our top pick for transparency when it comes to the best credit repair company for collections. And we love the fact that they've been doing this for many years. Here are the pros and cons here. Pros: you have free consultation for new customers, multiple discounts available, identity theft insurance included. What about the cons? Only 19 disputes per 45 to 60 days, whereas other players were offering you let's say unlimited disputes. No business credit services available. And Lexington Law does not offer a money back guarantee, so it is something to really be clear about. If you're willing to lose your fee, this is totally possible. Number 4, we have Credit Saints. Our score 9.3 over 10. So when you think about Credit Saints, I want you to think about a credit repair company for collections that is great when it comes to simple credit repair options. Here are the pros and cons here. Pros: you have a 90-day money-back guarantee. You have 3 credit repair packages. Like, you also have a system of transparent pricing here. What about the cons here? This Credit Saint is not available in all states. You have 5 days to first work, and they have a relatively high first work fee. So when you think about I would say Credit Saints, I want you to think about a credit repair company that is great for those who may not require all the bells and whistles of the more expensive plans. The company also has a long history, a strong reputation, and an excellent 90-day money-back guarantee. So if you're looking for that, you might be actually being lucky when it comes to this company. Now they have been in this business for the last 20 years. Okay, so they actually have a clear idea of what they're doing. So if I want to quickly talk to you about today's topic, I'm actually having a conversation with you about the best credit repair companies for collections. And the number 3 here, we have the Credit Pros. Our score 9.6 over 10. So here, in terms of, in our view, the Credit Pros is one of the best overall companies when it comes to for collections. Okay, when it comes to collections and monthly disputes, here you have unlimited. The lowest monthly fee $119. The lowest first work fee $119. A little high though, but they were really kick ass. Okay, and so what I want to say here is that the Credit Pros does have a credit builder loan and line of credit, along with being a top-notch match for for a credit repair company. And we love so let me quickly give you the pros and cons here. Pros: You have a credit builder loan available. $5,000 line of credit with National Credit Direct available. You have a mobile app. They do offer money back guarantee. This is really good. What about the cons here? No debt management program available and higher cost than some competitors. So this is with the credit pros, you have to think about the element of cost. Number 2, we have creditrepair.com. Our score 9.7 over 10. So when you think about creditrepair.com, I want you to think about one of our top choices for customer experience. Okay, and so UX and UI, creditrepair.com is really good. And so not only does it offer customer friendly pricing, but it also provides several ways to connect with customer service, including phone, email, support ticket, and live chat. And as a client, you can also get a free credit consultation when you sign up and track your progress through the company's mobile app. So this is kind of cool. Here are the pros and cons when it comes to creditrepair.com. Pros: you have free credit consultation available. The company does have a mobile app, and they do offer accessible customer service. What about the cons? They only provide 19 disputes, so this is really something you have to think about if you are sort of worried about that. So 19 disputes per 45 to 60 days, and there's no money back guarantee. So this is kind of important. If it's important for you, so be aware of that. Okay, they're not going to give you your money back guarantee. And the thing here is that you have several tiered service packages. Number 1, the best of the best in our view when it comes to the best credit repair company for collections. You have the Credit People. Our score 9.9 over 10. So in our view, this is the credit repair company with the most aggressive timeline. And the cool thing here is that, so let me quickly talk to you about the pros and cons here. The pros: money back guarantee, competitive pricing. They do offer free credit consultation. What about the cons here? There is no mobile app. They don't offer a debt management program, and there's no identity theft insurance. And what I want to say here is that in terms of monthly disputes, unlimited. The lowest monthly fee, $79, and the lowest first work fee, $19. Okay, but overall, when you think about the Credit People, you have a company that offer a free credit repair consultation and one service package with 2 payment options. So as a customer, you can choose to pay $79 per month or $4.99 per year. Its service package includes unlimited disputes, a credit analysis, creditor interventions, monthly score updates, and credit monitoring. So this is kind of cool. But you don't have identity theft and debt management solutions. They're not involved. They're not included here. If you've been listening to me so far, I really appreciate it. I want to give you a bonus. So I want to talk to you about Pyramid Credit Repair. Our score 7.5 over 10. So when you think about Pyramid Credit Repair, I want you to think about an institution that has over 10 years of experience. It's one of the few credit repair companies offering a discounted plan for couples and 24/7 customer support. So we really love that a lot. And the only thing is that its setup fees are higher than many of our main picks. Here are the pros and cons here. Pros: you do have 24/7 customer support, free credit consultation, discounted couple plan available, and discounts for the military and teachers. What about the cons? Well, there's a little information regarding plans. An individual plan does not actually include finance tools. So when we think about the best credit repair companies for collections overall, here is an overview I want you to really think about. See, the thing is, you always have an option to outsource your credit repair activities to a third party, like have somebody else do it for you. But you also have the option to do it yourself. You can repair your credit on your own. This is totally possible. So if any of these companies you don't like the way they work, or the fees are too high for you, or you just are curious about how things work and you want to try things yourself, you always have the option. But it's just a matter of time versus resources, right? And monetary resources. Do you have the time? Do you have the money to actually do it? Because you could do it yourself. You just need to send a letter. You have to not just one letter. It can be several letters, but you have to initiate the request with Well, the three credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and you have to contact them, be on the phone. Sometimes you have to email, you have to send them a letter, a snail mail letter. You have to you may have to call them. And so this is why a lot of folks are like, you know what, my ass is out of here. I'm just going to outsource everything to a credit repair company because they have experience. They have folks who are doing this 24/7. They have experience. They know which elements to attach when talking to their credit bureau. So, but yeah, but what I want to say is, if you choose to do it yourself, you have the options. If you want to outsource I would say the work to a third party, just pay attention to how you want to compare them. You want to have a clear idea of what kind of stuff they are offering. So if you want to compare credit repair companies, pay attention to a few things: services offered, the cost, the number of monthly disputes, because there are some credit repair companies that will actually give you unlimited disputes. Some, as you saw for for Lexington Law, for instance, they are limited to 19. Think about the credit bureau coverage. If there is a free credit consultation, and if there are guarantees, money back guarantees, for example. Let me talk to you about I want to give you a few pro tips. It's important that when you speak to when you ask, if you want to contact a credit repair company, it's important that you verify that it is a legitimate company, right? Because think about it, you are going to give a third party your social security number. You're going to share with that third party your financial information, your family situation, your overall financial profile. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. So you better make sure that company is legit. That company does have ratings, does have reviews online, that you want to check the CFPB profile of those companies. Okay, you want to actually make sure that you check also the Triple B profile to make sure that for like on the Better Business Bureau website, this company is legit. So please make sure that you do a lot of digging first. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section. We'll let you know if a company that you are contemplating doing business with, a credit repair company that you are contemplating doing business with, is legit or not. We'll let you know real fast. But you can also verify that yourself. So go on the internet. There's something called the CFPB complaint database. CFPB complaint database. And so basically you can have a clear idea of what's really happening with the company. So this database lets you review complaints about companies that consumers have logged with the CFPB since 2011. This is really cool. So you're able to know exactly what's really happening. Okay. And so if you want, you can also try to find a credit repair company near you, because sometimes you don't have to go like 1,000 miles away to find a great credit repair company. You can just look around and see, in your states, in your city, in your neighborhood, there is a credit repair company. As a matter of fact, you can find a lot online, but you can try to geolocate them near you. I want to warn you, do not go with, there has been a bevy of credit repair startups. Everybody's like, I'll fix your credit, blah, 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 blah. Be very careful. Don't go with folks who don't have at least 5 years experience in the industry. 5 years. That's the minimum. Don't give again. When you are actually entrusting your information to a credit repair company, we're not just talking about any kind of information. We're speaking about your social security number. We're speaking about your financial information, your family situation. We're speaking about your residential addresses. We're speaking about a lot of things, because this company is going to vouch for you vis-a-vis the credit bureau. So you want to make sure that you have the right institution that's working for you. Before I do a recap here, I just want to quickly remind you of today's conversation. So I was talking to you about the top 10 credit repair companies for collections. Those are really fast for collections. Number 1, we have the Credit People, 9.9 over 10. Number 2, we have a Credit Repair, 9.7 over 10. Number 3, we have the Credit Pros, 9.6 over 10. Number 4, we have Credit Sense, 9.3 over 10. Number 5, we have here Lexington Law, 9.1 over 10. Number 6, we have Sky Blue Credit, 9 over 10. Number 7, we have a creditfirm.net, 8.9 over 10. Number 8, we have here Credit Assistance Network, 8.6 over 10. Number 9, we have Trinity Credit Services, 8.1 over 10. Number 10, we have Pinnacle Credit Report, 8 over 10. And in the bonus category, we have Pyramid Credit Repair, 7.5 over 10. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.